Welcome to my channel Beat the Math. I am Pavitra Monaik. Today I need to discuss some problem of inverse trigonometry function. You see, the question is given, prove that the following statement sin inverse 4 by 5 plus 2 tan inverse 1 by 3 is equal to pi by 2. LHS is equal to how much? Sin inverse 4 by 5 plus 2 tan inverse 1 by 3. You see, you know the formula sin inverse x is equal to tan inverse x by root over 1 minus x square. Again, 2 tan inverse x is equal to tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square. I can use these two formula. Is equal to how much? You see, sin inverse 4 by 5. Here x is equal to 4 by 5. That is tan inverse is equal to tan inverse 4 by 5 divide 1 minus 4 by 5 whole square root over plus 2 tan inverse 1 by 3. X is equal to 1 by 3 here. That is tan inverse 2 into 1 by 3. That is 2 by 3. Okay, directly I can write 2 by 3 divide 1 minus 2 by 1 by 3 whole square. Okay, is equal to tan inverse 4 by 5. You see, 1 minus 4 by 5 whole square is equal to 1 minus 16 by 25 is equal to 25 minus 16 by 25 is equal to 9 by 25 is equal to 3 by 5. Okay, root given. If you find the root 9 by 25, then we can get 3 by 5. So this is equal to 3 by 5 plus tan inverse plus tan inverse 2 by 3 divide 1 minus 1 by 3 whole square. That is 1 minus 1 by 9. That is 9 minus 1 by 9 is equal to 8 by 9. Okay, so I can write 8 by 9. 8 by 9 is equal to tan inverse 4 by 5, 3 by 5. 5 will cancel out. That is 4 by 3 plus tan inverse 2 by 3 divide 8 by 9. 2 by 3 divide 8 by 9. That is 2 by 3 into 9 by 8. Okay, is equal to tan inverse 4 by 3 plus tan inverse. You see, 2 by 3 into 9 by 8. 3 3 is 2 1 is 2 4 is, that is 3 by 4. 3 by 4. Okay, next I can use a formula tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. That is tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy. Next I can use this formula. Okay, so this is equal to tan inverse 4 by 3 plus 3 by 4 divide 1 minus 4 by 3 into 3 by 4. Dot means multiplication is equal to tan inverse LCM is equal to 12. 3 4 ja 4 4 4 into 4, that is 16 plus 4 3 ja 3 3 3 into 3, that is 9 by this is 12 minus 12 by 12. Okay, otherwise you can take 1 minus 1 directly. We can write you see, 3 3 will cancel out, 4 4 will cancel out. That is 1 minus 1, that is 1 minus 1. Okay, is equal to tan inverse 25 divide 12 by 1 minus 1, that is 0. You see, 25 by 12 is a constant and by 0, constant by 0 is equal to infinite, is equal to tan inverse infinite. Okay, tan inverse infinite is equal to how much? That is 5 by 2, which is your RHS. You pause the video, note it down. You see the next problem. Prove the following statement: 4 tan inverse 1 by 5 minus tan inverse 1 by 70 plus tan inverse 1 by 99 is equal to pi by 4. You can take LHS is equal to 4 tan inverse 1 by 5 plus tan inverse. This you can write 1 by 99 minus tan inverse 1 by 70 is equal to, you see, 4 tan inverse 1 by 5, we can write 2 into 2 tan inverse 1 by 5 plus tan inverse 1 by 99 minus tan inverse 1 by 70. These two we can calculate, tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. Tan inverse x, you know the formula, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x minus y by 1 plus xy. Okay, use this formula here. Tan inverse 1 by 99 minus 1 by 70 divide 1 minus 1 plus 1 by 99 into 1 by 70. Okay, is equal to 2 into 2 tan inverse x. The formula 2 tan inverse x is equal to tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square. Okay, we can use this formula. Tan inverse, here 1 by x is 1 by x given, that is 2x, that is 2 by 5 by 1 minus 1 by 5 whole square plus tan inverse. This is how much? 99 into 70. This is 70 minus 99 by 99 into 70 minus plus 1 by 99 into 70. Okay, is equal to 2 tan inverse 2 by 5 1 by 1 minus 1 by 5, 1 minus 1 by 5 whole square, that is 1 minus 1 by 25, that is 25 minus 1 by 25 is equal to 24 by 25. This is 24 by 25. Okay, plus tan inverse, these two will cancel out. 70 minus 99 is equal to 9, that is 2 minus 29 by 7 9 ja 63 3 6, 7 9 ja 63 plus 6 6 9 6 9 6 9 3 0 plus 1, that is 6931. Directly I have written, this is 6930 plus 1, 6931. Okay, is equal to 2 tan inverse 2 by 5 into 25 by 24. 5 5 ja 2 1 ja 2 12, that is 5 by 12. Tan inverse 5 by 12 plus tan inverse, you see, minus tan inverse minus theta is equal to minus tan inverse theta. You see, tan minus theta is equal to minus tan theta. Okay, so here this is minus tan inverse 29 by 6931. Okay, so is equal to, again you use this formula 2 tan inverse x. Okay, this is equal to tan inverse 2x, that is 2 into 5, 10 by 12 divide 1 minus 5 by 12 whole square minus tan inverse 29 by 6931. If you divide 6931 by 29, you can get 1 by how much? That is 2 divide 6931, 239. Okay, you can get 239 is equal to next you see tan inverse 10 by 12 divide 1 minus 5 by 12 whole square is equal to how much? 10 inverse 10 by 12 divide 1 minus 25 divide 144 minus 10 inverse 1 by 239, okay, is equal to 10 inverse 10 by 12 divide 144 minus 25, how much? That is 9. This is how much? 1 that is 119 by 144 minus 10 inverse 1 by 239, okay, is equal to 10 inverse 10 by 12 into 144 by 119 is equal to how much? 120 by 119 minus 10 inverse 1 by 239 okay, is equal to, you see, you can apply 10 inverse x minus 10 inverse y, that is 10 inverse 120 by 119 minus 1 by 239 divide 1 minus 120 by 119 into 1 by 239, okay, is equal to 10 in, this is plus 1 plus 10 inverse how much? 119, the LCM is 119 into 239, okay, this is 120 into 239 minus 1 into 119, that is 119, divide 119 into 239 plus 120 divide 119 into 239, these two will cancel out, okay, so 239 into 120, 12 9 ja 108, 12 3 ja 36, that is 4, 12 2 ja 24, that is 28680, okay, minus 119, how much? 10 minus 9, that is 1, this is 7 minus 1 6, 6 minus 1 5, 28561 is equal to 28561 is equal to 10 inverse 28561 divide this 119 into 239, that is 120 times is equal to this 119 times means 28680 minus 1 minus 239, you take 239, that is 1, this is how much? 8 minus 3, 8 minus 3 is equal to not 7 minus 3, that is 4, 6 minus 2, 6 minus 2, that is 4, 28441 plus 120, this is 6528561, okay, you check it from the calculation, 28561, so this is equal to 10 inverse 28561, these two will cancel out, 10 inverse 1 is equal to pi by 4 is equal to RHS, proved. Pause the video, note it down. You see the next problem. Prove that the following statement 2 10 inverse 1 by 5 minus sec inverse 5 root 2 by 7 plus 2 tan inverse 1 by 8 is equal to pi by 4. You see here in your book Elements of Mathematics, it is given that 2 tan inverse 1 by 5 minus sec inverse 5 root 2 by 7 plus 2 tan inverse 1 by 8. But you have to see minus is given in your book, but you cannot solve it in minus. If you solve it in minus, you cannot get pi by 4. So this is your wrong question given. Just you can edit. This is plus. Okay. Then you take the LHS part. LHS is equal to 2 tan inverse 1 by 5 plus sec inverse 5 root 2 by 7 plus 2 tan inverse 1 by 8. Okay. So everything we have to convert into tan inverse. This is 2 tan inverse 1 by 5. This is 2 tan inverse 1 by 8. So 2 tan inverse. So how much? 2 tan inverse 1 by 5 plus 2 tan inverse 1 by 8 plus sec inverse 5 root 2 by 7. So 2 tan inverse 1 by 5, you see tan inverse x, 2 tan inverse x is equal to tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square. We can apply the formula here and here. Okay, so you see you can taking common 2 tan inverse 1 by 5 plus tan inverse 1 by 8 plus sec inverse 5 root 2 by 7 is equal to 2 tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. That is tan inverse 1 by 5 plus 1 by 8. Okay, divide 1 minus 1 by 5 into 1 by 8 plus sec inverse 5 root 2 divide 7. Okay, is equal to how much? 1 by 5 plus 1 by 8. This is 40, LCM 40. This is 8 plus 5. That is 13 by 40. Okay, this is equal to 2 tan inverse 13 by 40. 1 minus 1 by 5, 1 by 8. That is 1 minus 1 by 40. That is 40 minus 1 by 40. That is 39 by 40. 39 by 40 plus sec inverse 5 root 2 by 7. I can convert it into cos inverse 5 root 2 cos inverse 7 by 5 root 2. You know that sec inverse x is equal to cos inverse. This is the formula. Sec inverse x is equal to cos inverse 1 by x. Okay, so this become 7 by 5 root 2. Okay, you see 40 will cancel out. That is 2 tan inverse 13 by 39. That is 1 by 3. 1 by 3. Okay, plus cos inverse. I have converted into tan inverse. Cos inverse x is equal to tan inverse 1 minus x square root over by x. So this is equal to tan inverse 1 minus 7 by 5 root 2 whole square root over by 7 by 5 root 2. Okay, so if you simplify it, this is how much? 2 tan inverse 1 by 3. This formula we can use now. That is tan inverse 2x, that is 2 by 3. X is here 1 by 3, so 2x, that is 2 by 3. 1 minus x square, that is 1 minus 2 by 3. You write 1 minus 2 by 1 by 3, because x is equal to 1 by 3 whole square plus tan inverse. This is how much? 1 minus 7 by 5 root 2. 5 root 2, this is 1 minus 49 divide 25 into 2. Okay, that is 25 into 50. 50 minus 49, that is 1. 1 by root 50. 1 by root 50, and that is root 50 is equal to 5 root 2. This is 1 by 5 root 2 by 7 by 5 root 2. Okay. Now tan inverse 2 by 3 divide 1 minus 1 by 9. 9 minus 1 by 9, that is 8 by 9, that is 2 by 3 divide 8 by 9 is equal to 2 by 3 into 9 by 8. Okay, 3 3 ja 2 4, that is 3 by 4 is equal to tan inverse 3 by 4. Simplify it. This is the simplification. You can get tan inverse 3 by 4. Okay, next you see tan inverse plus tan inverse. You see 5 root 2, 5 root 2 will cancel out, 1 by 7. Okay, now you apply tan inverse x plus tan. You see this is tan inverse 3 by 4 plus 1 by 7 divide 1 minus 3 by 4 into 1 by 7 is equal to tan inverse. This is 28. 4 7 ja, this is 21 plus 1 4 divide 28 minus 3 by 28 is equal to tan inverse 25 by 28, 25 by 28. These two will cancel out, is equal to tan inverse 1 is equal to pi by 4 is equal to RHS. Proved. Pause the video, note it down.